it's time for a little bit of old Hollywood glamour with Bésame. So I decided to treat myself to a few goodies for my birthday, and they have just arrived. So let's get everything out. We're going to start with this because I think I know what it is. Oh, wow. Oh, look at this. How beautiful. How stunning. Okay. Wow. So this is inspired by Maria Felix, is that how you pronounce it? Who was a really influential actress. I just saw it. And it comes with a little velvety pouch for the compact. Wow! I cannot. Oh. So this is the compact. The detailing on this, oh my goodness me. She's very weighted and just absolutely, completely, stunningly beautiful. I would expect nothing less from Bésame. I have a very soft spot in my heart for Bésame. If you have been following me on YouTube for years, you will be able to track my Bésame journey. I think I did an unboxing of the very first lipstick I ever got from them, and I blame/thank Jessica Kelgren-Fozard for getting me into the Bésame life. So it's come empty, and I got a free powder refill with it. I love that their compacts are refillable. I think that's such a lovely idea, although I do desperately need them to also bring back the loose violet and vanilla powders, because that vanilla powder, I've never been able to find anything that really matches it. So I got the Snow White powder. You just add a little magnet here. Pop it in. There we go. And of course, comes with a little powder puff. And there we go. Wow. Pop it into this deliciously glamorous little case. I'm actually going to pop it back into its box for now. And then this works very well because now I have a box for my rubbish. I also got the Swingin' Sienna 1951 lipstick. Give me. Ooh. See, this is different. This is different packaging again to my other Bésame lipsticks. So let's look at the colour. Ooh, that's beautiful. So it calls this a sort of brick colour. Really, really beautiful. And I just find Bésame's attention to detail stunning. Wait, does it have... Yes, it does. The smell of Bésame lipsticks is one of my favourite things about them. And I also got the Maria Felix Enamorada 1947 lipstick, which is apparently the exact lipstick colour worn by Maria in her movie. Now, I do not speak Spanish or any Latin languages, so do forgive me. La diosa arrodillada arrotillata. There we go. In 1947, hence the year. And it comes with a brooch. So pretty. Let me get this out. It's a little pin. It's got those gorgeous rhinestones in there as well. Oh, it's so pretty. And this is the lipstick tube. It has her autograph on there and this pink and gold detailing. Oh, ooh, what a beautiful, beautiful colour. Look at that. Oh, it smells so good. So what is your favourite thing that I got, and what do you think about my birthday Bésame purchases? Oh, I'm so lucky. Wow. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh my god.